Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to delete multiple input rows in Excel at once. Okay, first of all select the table, full table, go to home tab, find and select, go to special, select blanks or hold Ctrl Z, click special, select blanks, then click OK. Now see this automatically selected blank cells. Okay, right click mouse, delete, shift cells left or shift cells up or enter row, enter column as you wish. I click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.